Guys, how you doing today? It's me, Captain A38, with another aircraft video, with another awesome video. Anyway, the Cessna A37 Dragonfly, the U.S. Air Force's premier lightweight attack aircraft, and used for FAC, or Forward Air Control. Today, that there are only about maybe a few air forces in South America that flies the Dragonfly. The Dragonfly are mostly ex-U.S. Air Force Dragonflies that were given to Peru, Honduras, and a few other countries down in South America. Armed with two 20mm guns, napalm, 1,000-pound iron bombs, unguided rockets, and Mark 82 freefall bombs. The A37 had just a crew of two. Pilot, BN, Bombardier Navigator. The basis for the Dragonfly began with the T-37 Twee, a senior instructor and a student. Just those two crew members flew the T-37 from Randolph Field in Texas, and with its range, Raytheon had developed a successor to replace the T-37, and that is the T-6, but that's a totally different story. The A-37 Dragonfly got its history during the Vietnam War and was used primarily for ground attack and for FAC throughout the Vietnam War. And by the 1970s, many Dragonflies were given to the Air National Guard. The Guard would fly the Dragonfly up until the 1990s, and the type was eventually phased out. Some A-37s today still fly. One flies with a private user, with a private owner in New Zealand. One in, one Air Force in Peru, Honduras, and Ecuador. Just those three countries. And the basic was the OA-37 served with the Illinois Air National Guard, and later with the Pennsylvania Air National Guard, up until the type was phased out and replaced by the A-10 Thunderbolt II. The Dragonfly was for its time a fly by the pants aircraft. Alright. To know more about the A-37 Dragonfly, log on to airliners.net and jetphotos.net, the way to fly, and you'll see great photographs of the A-37. And there's our websites on the A-37 Dragonfly. So, with that in mind, I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, see you later.